Welcome. In front of me is a Ledger Nano S, and today I will show you how to add a Xrp account to the Ledger. So, to get started, you will obviously want to open up the Ledger application, and normally you probably see something like this with your Ledger visible right here. So, to get started, you want to navigate to the Accounts tab. And if you haven't added any kind of account, this will be fully empty, and you will have the Add Account button smack in the almost middle of the screen, taking basically the entire page. But if you have added at least one, it then changes to this minimalistic look where you have this plus button, and then you can select Add Account. Now obviously we're adding an Xrp account right here, so I'm gonna select that from the list right here, Xrp. And then it asks you where you want to load that up. Now obviously you do also need to have Xrp wallet installed to the Ledger before you can add the account to it. So once you do that, once you select your Ledger, it asks on the Ledger itself to open up the Xrp application. So click both of the buttons to confirm it. And as you can see, it's loading it up. And there we go. From here, select Continue, go to Accounts. This takes you to the app, not the actual account of Xrp. So if you want to check your wallet address, you can click on it, select Receive. Quicker way is by going Continue without my device, doesn't need to connect to it, and it will show you the wallet address along with the QR code. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.